Every day offers a new opportunity to live with purpose, resilience, and clarity. By embracing the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, we can transform our daily routines into a journey of personal growth and fulfillment. Stoic principles guide us to navigate life's challenges with composure and vigor, ensuring that each day is not just endured but truly lived. Today, we will explore how adopting Stoic rules can help you conquer each day, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences. The Stoic philosophy, rooted in ancient Greece and Rome, teaches us to live in harmony with nature, align our actions with virtue, and focus on what we can control. These principles, when applied daily, can lead to a life of inner peace and outer effectiveness. Whether you are new to Stoicism or looking to deepen your practice, these guidelines will help you infuse your days with wisdom and purpose. Rule 1. Start with gratitude. Begin your day by acknowledging the simple yet profound aspects of life. Gratitude sets a positive tone and reminds you of the abundance around you. Reflect on what you are thankful for, whether it's the people in your life, your health, or the opportunities ahead. This Stoic practice helps cultivate a mindset of appreciation and presence, enabling you to face the day with a centered and content heart. Gratitude is more than just a feeling. It is a deliberate practice. Start by keeping a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you are grateful for each morning. These can be as simple as the warmth of your bed, the beauty of a sunrise, or the kindness of a friend. Over time, this practice rewires your brain to focus on the positive aspects of life, enhancing your overall well-being. Incorporate moments of gratitude throughout your day. Pause before meals to appreciate the food you are about to eat and the effort that went into bringing it to your table. Acknowledge the people who make your life better, from family and friends to colleagues and even strangers. This continuous practice of gratitude helps you stay grounded and fosters a sense of contentment and joy. Rule 2. Prioritize what you can control. A core tenet of Stoicism is focusing on what lies within your control and letting go of what does not. Start your day by identifying your tasks and responsibilities, then categorize them. Concentrate your efforts on the areas where you have influence, such as your actions, decisions, and responses. By channeling your energy into what you can control, you reduce stress and increase your effectiveness. Make a list of your daily tasks and goals. Separate them into 2 categories: those you can control and those you cannot. Focus your energy on the former. For example, you can control how you respond to emails, your attitude towards work, and your interactions with others. You cannot control the traffic, the weather, or other people's actions. This practice not only enhances your productivity, but also reduces anxiety. By letting go of things outside your control, you free yourself from unnecessary worry and frustration. Instead, you become more proactive and empowered, taking charge of your day with clarity and purpose. Rule 3. Embrace challenges as opportunities. Life is filled with obstacles, but Stoicism teaches us to view these as opportunities for growth. When you encounter difficulties, approach them with a mindset of curiosity and resilience. Ask yourself how these challenges can help you develop virtues such as patience, courage, and wisdom. Each obstacle becomes a stepping stone, contributing to your personal development and strength. Consider a challenging situation you're facing. Rather than viewing it as a setback, see it as a chance to practice and develop your Stoic virtues. For instance, if you are dealing with a difficult coworker, use it as an opportunity to practice patience and compassion. If you are facing a personal loss, let it deepen your understanding of impermanence and resilience. This mindset shift transforms your approach to adversity. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you become empowered. Challenges become a way to test and refine your character, making you stronger and more resilient. Embrace each challenge with an open heart, knowing that it is shaping you into a better version of yourself. Rule 4. Practice mindfulness. Stay present throughout your day. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully engaged in the current moment, without distraction or judgment. It allows you to respond to situations thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Whether you are working, conversing with others, or enjoying a meal, immerse yourself fully in the experience. This practice not only enhances your productivity, but also enriches your daily interactions and activities. Mindfulness can be practiced in many ways. Start with mindful breathing. Take a few minutes each morning to focus on your breath, noticing the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. This simple practice anchors you in the present moment and sets a calm tone for your day. Integrate mindfulness into your daily activities. When working, focus entirely on the task at hand. Avoid multitasking, which divides your attention and reduces efficiency. During meals, savor each bite, appreciating the flavors and textures. In conversations, listen attentively, giving the other person your full attention. Mindfulness helps you to fully experience life. It reduces stress, improves concentration, and enhances your overall well-being. By staying present, you engage more deeply with your activities and relationships, making each moment more meaningful. Rule 5. Maintain physical health. Your body is the vessel that carries you through life. Treat it with respect and care. Incorporate physical activities that you enjoy into your daily routine, whether it's walking, stretching, or more intense exercise. Physical health is closely linked to mental well-being, and a fit body supports a sharp and clear mind. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a Stoic commitment to honoring your physical form. Physical health is a fundamental aspect of Stoic practice. Regular exercise not only keeps your body strong, but also boosts your mood and mental clarity. Choose activities that you enjoy, making them a regular part of your routine. Whether it's a morning jog, a yoga session, or a bike ride, find what works best for you and stick with it. Nutrition is equally important. Fuel your body with wholesome, nutritious foods. Avoid excessive consumption of processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats. Instead, focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Proper nutrition supports your physical health and enhances your mental performance. Rest and recovery are crucial components of physical health. Ensure you get enough sleep each night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. Listen to your body's signals and avoid overexertion. A well-rested body is more resilient and better equipped to handle daily challenges. Rule 6. Reflect on your day. At the end of each day, take a moment to reflect. Review your actions, decisions, and interactions. Consider what you did well and where there is room for improvement. This practice of self-reflection is a Stoic exercise in continuous growth and learning. It helps you understand your progress and prepares you for the challenges of tomorrow with a clearer perspective. Self-reflection is a powerful tool for personal development. Dedicate a few minutes each evening to review your day. Ask yourself questions like, what did I achieve today? How did I respond to challenges? What could I have done better? This practice helps you identify patterns in your behavior and areas for improvement. Journaling can enhance your reflection practice. Write down your thoughts and insights. Documenting your experiences provides a record of your growth and helps you track your progress over time. It also offers a space for you to express your thoughts and emotions, promoting mental clarity and emotional balance. Reflection is not about self-criticism. It's about learning and growing. Be kind to yourself and recognize your achievements no matter how small. Use your reflections to set intentions for the next day, guiding your actions and decisions towards continuous improvement. Rule 7. Cultivate meaningful connections. Humans are inherently social beings, and Stoicism emphasizes the importance of nurturing relationships. Take time each day to connect with family, friends, or colleagues. These interactions should be meaningful and uplifting, contributing to your well-being and that of others. By building and maintaining strong connections, you enhance your sense of belonging and support. Meaningful connections enrich our lives and provide a sense of purpose. Make an effort to reach out to loved ones regularly. Whether it's a phone call, a text message, or a face-to-face conversation, show that you care. Listen actively and engage in conversations that strengthen your bonds. In addition to personal relationships, consider your role in your community. Engage in activities that allow you to contribute to the greater good. Volunteering, participating in community events, or joining a local group can help you build new connections and foster a sense of belonging. Stoicism teaches us to surround ourselves with people who reflect our values and support our growth. Choose to spend time with individuals who inspire and uplift you. Nurture relationships that are based on mutual respect, kindness, and genuine care. These connections will not only enrich your life, but also support you through life's challenges. Rule 8. Live by your values. Identify your core values and let them guide your daily actions. Living in alignment with your principles creates a sense of integrity and purpose. When faced with decisions, refer back to these values to ensure that your actions are consistent with what you believe in. This alignment fosters inner peace and satisfaction as you navigate your day with authenticity and clarity. Values act as a moral compass, guiding your decisions and actions. Take time to reflect on what is truly important to you. Is it honesty, kindness, perseverance, or another virtue? Clearly define your values and use them as a framework for your daily life. When making decisions, ask yourself whether your actions align with your values. This practice ensures that you act with integrity and stay true to yourself. It helps you make choices that are not only rational but also ethical, fostering a sense of self-respect and inner harmony. Living by your values also means standing up for what you believe in. Be courageous in defending your principles, even when it's difficult. This steadfastness builds character and earns the respect of others. It also brings a deep sense of fulfillment, knowing that you are living a life that is true to your beliefs. Rule 9. Accept and adapt to change. Change is inevitable, and Stoicism teaches us to accept it with grace. Be flexible and open to new experiences and shifts in your routine. Instead of resisting change, see it as an opportunity to adapt and grow. This attitude not only reduces anxiety, but also prepares you to handle life's unpredictability with resilience and optimism. Life is full of changes, some expected and some unforeseen. Stoicism encourages us to accept these changes rather than resist them. When faced with a change, take a moment to assess the situation calmly. Consider how you can adapt and what you can learn from the experience. Embracing change involves letting go of the need for control. Focus on your responses rather than the circumstances. This shift in perspective empowers you to navigate changes with a sense of calm and rationality. It helps you see opportunities for growth and development, even in challenging situations. Adapting to change also means being proactive. Anticipate potential changes and prepare for them. Develop contingency plans and remain flexible in your approach. This readiness helps you stay resilient and confident no matter what life throws your way. Rule 10. End with gratitude. Just as you start your day with gratitude, end it the same way. Reflect on the positive aspects of your day and acknowledge what you have learned and experienced. This practice closes your day on a positive note, reinforcing a mindset of appreciation and fulfillment. Gratitude bookends your day with positivity. In the evening, take a few moments to reflect on the good things that happened. It could be a productive meeting, a kind gesture, or a moment of peace. Write these down in your gratitude journal to reinforce the positive aspects of your day. Reflecting on your day with gratitude helps you focus on the positives, even if the day was challenging. It shifts your mindset from what went wrong to what went right, promoting a sense of satisfaction and well-being. This practice also prepares your mind for a restful night as you end the day on a positive and appreciative note. Gratitude at the end of the day creates a cycle of positivity. It helps you recognize the abundance in your life, fostering a sense of contentment. This mindset carries over to the next day, setting a foundation for continued gratitude and joy. In conclusion, by integrating these Stoic rules into your daily routine, you can conquer each day with purpose, resilience, and joy. These principles help transform ordinary moments into meaningful experiences, ensuring that you live each day to its fullest. Embrace the wisdom of the Stoics and let it guide you to a life of enduring fulfillment and growth. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found value in these insights, please continue exploring Stoic teachings with our other resources. Live well, and see you in the next video. Incorporating Stoic principles into your daily life doesn't just enhance your days, it transforms your entire approach to living. Each rule is a step towards greater self-awareness, resilience, and inner peace. By starting your day with gratitude, prioritizing what you can control, and embracing challenges, you set a solid foundation for a productive and fulfilling day. Practicing mindfulness keeps you grounded in the present, while maintaining physical health ensures you have the energy and clarity to face whatever comes your way. Reflecting on your day fosters continuous growth, and cultivating meaningful connections enriches your life with support and joy. Living by your values provides a compass for your decisions, and accepting change with grace keeps you adaptable and resilient. Ending your day with gratitude reinforces a positive outlook and prepares you for the next day with a sense of contentment. These practices, rooted in the wisdom of Stoicism, empower you to live each day with intention and purpose. Stoicism teaches us that while we cannot control external events, we can control our responses. By applying these principles, you navigate life's challenges with composure and strength, turning each day into an opportunity for growth and fulfillment. Embrace these Stoic rules, and watch how they transform your daily life into a journey of continual improvement and profound satisfaction. Thank you for embarking on this exploration of Stoic wisdom. I hope these insights inspire you to integrate these practices into your daily routine and experience the transformative power of Stoicism. Remember, every day holds the promise of new beginnings and endless possibilities. Live fully, live wisely, and let the Stoic principles guide you to a life of enduring peace and joy. See you in the next video.